Okay, gotta show you my work from home setup today. I'm doing a satellite media tour. So going from station to station. My computer's my monitor. I got my lighting set up there. And I'm working with Healthy Choice Power Dressings. Talking about this delicious, crispy chickpea quinoa tabbouleh salad. I'm going to make it tomorrow on my IGTV. Tomorrow, Wednesday. So if you look around lunchtime, it'll be on there. I'll tell you how to make it with this yummy magic stuff. All right, I'm making one of my favorite things today, a big salad. You guys know I love my metal mixing bowl for a big salad. So today it's a crispy chickpea quinoa tabbouleh salad. This is a great little make ahead. You guys are always asking me about my produce because I get a big produce delivery. I wash everything. I let it dry on my counter and then I prep it and put it in containers and label it up. So today I'm just gonna mix together some of those good ingredients. Start off with my crispy chickpeas. I took these out of the oven. I let them cool down. Take a look at that, Ryan. Okay, so for these chickpeas, what I did was I partnered up with Healthy Choice Power Dressings for this recipe. So I took their creamy Italian dressing and I mixed a couple of tablespoons with some canned chickpeas. I love this because it's got all the garlic and herbs and all those good flavors, but it also has pureed cauliflower in it, so I'm getting an extra vegetable and extra fiber. There's 3 grams of fiber and 2 tablespoons of that. Hello. And then speaking of fiber and protein, I've got some quinoa. So I really like to make a big thing of quinoa. I put it in the fridge. You can have it for breakfast, like instead of oatmeal. To do this with a little hot milk and some berries and nuts is really yummy. Or to do in a grain salad for lunch. So I'm just gonna take some of that, put it in my bowl, and then add to it my other ingredients. So I've got some chopped up cucumber here. So it's kind of like having your own little salad bar in your refrigerator. When I was a kid, I used to say that I wanted my own salad bar when I grew up. I wanted all the dressings and I wanted them to have a little ladle. And then I've got those tomatoes here. So put those in there. I also like to use these when I have them chopped up just to make a quick pasta sauce. I'll do them with a little bit of garlic and oil and toss them with the pasta. And then for flavoring, I've got my parsley here. So add a little chopped up parsley. And when I have everything prepped like this, it's so much easier to eat healthy. You know, instead of grabbing, I changed my snack up here so that I would stop eating the chips. Okay, I've got fresh mint. I love my mint. So put some of that in. And then scallions. We go through the scallions pretty quickly, don't we? Mm-hmm. You want to say hi, Ryan? No, he's shy today.
A little shy today.
Yeah, he shaved his quarantine beard. He has a goatee now.
Yeah, I think that's why I'm feeling shy. I feel naked.
Oh, come on, just show. Let's take a poll if people like the facial hair. I think he looks good. All right, so more of that power dressing, the creamy Italian. It's gonna go in. And give it a toss. They've got some other great flavors too. Garden French, I like to use that on chicken legs to bake them. There's a green goddess that's really good with roasted veggies and ranch. I love iceberg with some ranch. Okay, so I got that all mixed up. Now I'm gonna grab my plate. And I've got some mixed greens here. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of greens. And take this and scoop it right on top. And then I'm gonna add on my crispy chickpeas. I love that these get crispy and it's almost like having something fried. And that's it. Really super simple. Take a look. Mm-hmm. Get a bite of this. I love the way the fresh mint really pops. Crispy chickpeas. and that creamy Italian dressing. This is delicious. Bye, y'all.